If you want your users to feel a premium vibe in your application and it doesn't look vibe coded, then you need to use something called icons very carefully and design it properly. So today I will be talking about what icon libraries to use, where to test, where to take inspiration, and how you can build your own. And at the same time, in the past, I've covered one video in which I've talked about how to use AI to build something easily. So you can watch that video. And if you want a proper designer guide, then this video will help you, because as a beginner, I will explain you how to use icon libraries, icons, and build something for your own use case and which you can integrate in your application finally. So let's get into the video. So you can see right now I have this icons, iOS icons gallery.com, and you can see what icons I have. So if I just remove this one, so these are the icons you have. So you can take inspiration. So if you want for colors, white color, blue color, multicolor applicable, like you have some icons, you want that categories for, you want to categorize for photos and videos, productivity apps and all. So you can go here and you can, maybe if I want to build something for productivity, so what type of icon actually works, and you can take inspiration from them. So once you have taken inspiration from them, you can again give it to AI to build something for your own use case based on your prompt, and then you can use icon composer to build that particular icon. So this is one use case, and this is where you should take inspiration, in my opinion. And after that, we have this particular website, that is streamlinehq.com, which again I will link in the description. So it gives you svg, png, jsx, you can see pdf, but you need png. If you get the png, you can easily build the svgs, so that is not an issue. And you need png in your application, so you can use this icon. So you can see you have line, solid, flat, duo, hand drawn, different themes, theme based. Like if you want something for services, so you can go here and you can see what you want exactly. So again, this is not very like great like great icons, and but again this will be helpful if you don't find something easily. So these were the easy way to get the icons. So Streamline SQ is the easy way. And why this website? Because it helps you to get the iOS specific icons, so that's why you should definitely use it. Now let's come to something called recommended way of iOS by Apple. So they have given one something called SF symbols. So they recommend to use SF symbols. So if you go here and you will find that what are SF symbols. So this is a library of over 6,900 symbols designed to integrate seamlessly with the system font of Apple platforms. So it comes with, so I have downloaded this application, so you don't have to download it, and you can see like what it contains inside it. So if you open this particular application, it is opening right now, and let's wait for it to open. So I think it has opened. Yep, it takes time because it is a collection of over 6,900 symbols. So you can see. So if I do light theme, I think you should see a light theme based editor. Okay, this is working, and you can see this is the light theme. So what's new? What are the draw type of icons? Weather, maps, devices, cameras, and photos. So if you are building something related to camera, you can use this type of application icons. And for connectivity, transportation, you get the idea, right? So you can build your own custom icons. You can save your own custom icon by adding more icons into your library, and this is how you do it. So these are SF symbols, and if you go here, you can choose gradients. If you want variable or not, you can choose variable. And then you have, so maybe for example, let's choose this one. So if you want gradient or not, you can see what happens when you do gradient. So you can see this, like this is the ID which you have to use, and you can use this one. So if you want gradient, if you want a variable to change or to increase, so you can see if I do this one, variable of all the circle related items are gone. And if I choose without gradient, it looks like this one. And if I choose again color, maybe some red color, you get the idea. So you can use this directly. So this type properties directly. And you can also see what animations you have. So if you press this one, you can see the animation as well. And if you need the whole symbol animation or maybe by layer animation, you can experiment and you can call this into your own Xcode directly, calling these icons. So this is one way to get icons, and this is the recommended way by Apple. So Apple takes $99 developer fees, if you know that. So they deliver a lot because of that particular fees. So I think you should definitely use this documentation and guide which is given by Apple. So use these icons. Now let's talk about something called app icons. So if you are building app icons, then this particular application will help you to build your app application. So let's see how Icon Composer works. So you should use this to build your icon. So you can see I was playing with one icon. So you can see this is like the icon I downloaded. Like I just screenshotted this particular part. You can see that I just screenshotted that and I put it here. So this is how it works. I can move it. I can like you can do a lot of things, and you can as well put it light background, and if you want dark background you can do dark as well. And yes, so this is how it works. If you want mono color, you can choose mono, you can choose default. If you want to see how it looks in like watchOS, so you can adjust it accordingly. And if you see how it will look in iOS and macOS, you can adjust it accordingly. And you can see you can adjust the liquid class, this design as well. And at the same time you can do use display p3 front tagged, if it is it should be available to watchOS or not, if it should be available to unique iOS only or Mac only. So you can do that too. So and you can change the background as well to see how it will look in different background. So these are the few things which you require. So if you want to save, you can save this. Okay, I quit that application. So I have already saved that. So I will just show you how it looks so that you understand how it actually looks. So this is, I saved it earlier. So you can see the type icon composer icon. It is around 315 KB. And if I open this one, so you can see how good, how great the quality looks. And if you give this to your particular Xcode, then this will be a great way. So this was the original image, and from that I created this icon. So you get the point how to actually work, like develop icons for your applications. And this is what I wanted to share: how to take inspiration, how to copy PNG, how to use SF symbols, and how to build your own app icons. So this guide will help you to build something more premium, more like great application for your end user, and they and maybe end up paying because of the user experience, because of the UI which you have built. So let's hope for the best, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.